Welcome to Across the Globe. Today we will learn about data types in Python. Data types in Python are used to specify the kind of data stored in a variable. Examples of built-in data types in Python include integers, floats, strings, lists, and dictionaries. For instance, when storing a person's age, an integer data type would be used. Similarly, for storing a person's name, a string data type would be appropriate. Understanding and correctly utilizing data types in Python is crucial for effective programming and data manipulation. Integers are numbers without decimal points. They can be positive, negative, or zero. For instance, if you have 5 apples, the number 5 represents the quantity of apples without any fractional part. Similarly, if you owe someone $10, the number 10 represents a negative integer, indicating a debt of $10. Floats are numbers in programming that include a decimal point. They are used to represent both whole and fractional values. For example, a variable x can be assigned the value 3.14, while another variable y can be assigned the value 2.5. These values are considered floats because they contain decimal points. Floats are essential for calculations that involve fractions or non-integer values, providing precision and accuracy in various mathematical operations in programming languages. Understanding and effectively working with floats is crucial when developing software applications that require handling of numerical data beyond whole numbers. Strings are utilized to store sequences of characters enclosed in single or double quotes. For example, variables x and y can be assigned the values hello and world, respectively. This provides a way to work with textual data in programming languages, giving developers the ability to manipulate and display text-based information effectively. Lists are ordered data structures in Python that can hold a variety of data types. For instance, a list called myList can store integers like 1 and 2, a string like 3, and a floating point number like 4.0. Dictionaries in programming are data structures that store key-value pairs. They are unordered, allowing for quick access to values using keys. For instance, a dictionary named myDict could contain keys like name with a corresponding value of John and age with a value of 30. This organization makes it efficient to retrieve specific information, akin to a real-world phone book where names correspond to phone numbers. Data types in Python are like different types of containers used to store items. Just like we wouldn't store water in a paper bag, we wouldn't store text in a numeric data type. The data type determines what kind of operations can be performed on it, similar to how you can't pour liquid into a solid container without it spilling. Knowing the data type is important because it determines how the data can be manipulated and used in a program.
Hey, code conquerors, ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support, and expert guidance. Coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Visit our site and take your coding dreams to new heights.
In this Python code snippet, we are demonstrating different data types and performing basic operations on them. 1. Numeric data. The variable numeric data stores an integer value of 42. We showcase an operation of adding 10 to it using the plus operator, which results in 52. 2. Text data. The variable text data stores a string hello world. We demonstrate the upper method to convert the text to uppercase, resulting in hello world. 3. Boolean data. The variable Boolean data stores a Boolean value of true. We use the not operator to perform a logical negation operation, resulting in false. 4. List data. The variable list data stores a list of integers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We showcase adding an element to the list using the append method, which adds 6 to the list. 5. Dictionary data. The variable dictionary data stores a dictionary with key value pairs name, Alice, age, 30. We demonstrate retrieving the value corresponding to the key name using the get method, which outputs Alice. 6. Tuple data. The variable tuple data stores a tuple, 10, 20, 30. We showcase accessing the element at index 2, 30 using array indexing, which results in 30. These operations demonstrate how different data types in Python can be manipulated and accessed to perform a variety of tasks. Real-world examples of using these data types include handling user inputs, storing configuration settings, processing data structures, and more. Two industrial real-world examples or applications based on data types in Python are: 1. Finance industry. In the finance industry, different data types in Python are utilized for various operations. For example, numeric data types are used for performing calculations on financial data like stock prices, returns, and portfolio values. Text data types are used to store and manipulate textual information related to market news, company reports, and investor sentiment. Boolean data types are often used for making decisions based on certain conditions or rules. List data types are used to store arrays of financial data, such as daily stock prices or trading volumes. Dictionary data types are used to store key value pairs, such as mapping ticker symbols to company names. Tuple data types can be used to represent fixed-length records like trading orders, with elements like order ID, stock symbol, quantity, and price. 2. Healthcare industry. In the healthcare industry, data types in Python play a crucial role in managing patient records, medical histories, and treatment plans. Numeric data types are used for storing numerical data such as patient ages, vital signs, and laboratory results. Text data types are employed for storing textual information like patient names, addresses, and medical notes. Boolean data types can be used to represent binary states such as patient consent for specific treatments or medical conditions. List data types are used to store arrays of medical data such as patient symptoms, medications, and appointment schedules. Dictionary data types are utilized for organizing complex medical information, such as mapping patient IDs to detailed health records. Tuple data types can be used to represent fixed-length data structures, like medical test results, with elements like test name, date, and outcome. Closure. Data types in Python are versatile and essential for handling a wide range of information in various industries, from finance to healthcare. Understanding how different data types work and applying them effectively can lead to efficient data manipulation and analysis in real-world applications. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.